Hey, what's up guys? So it's time to do the comparison between Huawei Band 6 and Samsung Galaxy Fit 2, and this is going to be a very straightforward and to the point video. And if you want to know more details about these bands, you can watch my other videos related to these. So let's get started. And the first thing that I want to talk about here and the difference that is in our face is the display size. Obviously, so we have 1.47 inches display size on Huawei Band 6, whereas we have 1.1 inch display size on Samsung Galaxy Fit 2. And next to Huawei Band 6, Samsung Galaxy Fit 2 actually feels like a device that came out several years ago, when instead it really came out just last year. So there is a lot for Samsung to catch up when it comes to Galaxy Fit 2 and its next model. Now, as you can see here, that the details and the information, the time and everything is very clear and easy to see on Huawei Band 6, whereas you really need to strain your eyes to look at information and read stuff on Galaxy Fit 2. Now, moving on to the next feature, I want to talk about watch faces, which is also very closely related to the display. And the watch faces on Huawei Band 6 are one of the best watch faces that I've seen on any fitness tracker. You can go on Huawei Health app and you can find even more watch faces here, and these are some of the best watch faces that you will come across. So these are not just colorful, they are information rich as well and beautifully curated and beautifully made. Whereas when you compare these watch faces with the ones for Galaxy Fit 2, you will see that they're very basic and they're not as information rich as well. And in several of them, the time is in very small digits and very small fonts, which you cannot even see or understand clearly. Alright, next up I want to talk about the SpO2 sensor. So we have SpO2 sensor on Huawei Band 6, but we don't have one on Samsung Galaxy Fit 2. Now that is not really a deal breaker by itself, but what it can do for you when it comes to sleep tracking. So as a result of lack of SpO2 sensor on Samsung Galaxy Fit 2, you will not be able to see detailed sleep tracking analysis where things like sleep breathing quality and breathing analysis count when you are asleep, and also tells you how good or bad your sleep was and how good or bad your breathing quality was during your sleep. Now this can help you to understand your sleep better and why you might have been feeling tired during the day, but this is something that is missing from Samsung Galaxy Fit 2, so it cannot give you the detailed analysis that Huawei Band 6 can do, like it is shown in here, where you can see things like night sleep, deep sleep, light sleep, REM sleep. Now obviously some of these major metrics Galaxy Fit 2 will also show you, but when it comes to some deeper analysis like breathing quality and stuff like that, that's where Galaxy Fit 2 loses the track and Huawei Band 6 wins the race. Apart from that, both of these devices have pretty similar fitness suite where they will track your heart rate continuously. So they have continuous heart rate tracking, continuous stress tracking, they have idle alerts as well as workout detection. So if you start your workout without starting the tracking activity on the device, they will automatically detect that you're working out and will track it for you. And finally, the last thing that I want to talk about here is the software on both of these fitness trackers. And while I will talk about Huawei Band 6 in a minute, I want to first talk about Galaxy Fit 2. So if you swipe down, you get to your quick controls or quick settings, where you have things like brightness controls, music controls, do not disturb, and water lock mode. You can swipe up and nothing will happen, but you can then swipe to the right to get to your notifications and swipe to the left to go to your widgets, and this is where your widgets and apps reside, and you can change the sequence or the number of widgets or which widgets you want here via the Galaxy wearable app on your phone. And that's pretty much about it for Samsung Galaxy Fit 2. Most of its features are controlled through the app, as I will show you now. So if you go in Galaxy Wear app here, you will see that we have some Samsung Health control and health settings, and all of these settings you can access through the Gear app, but not from the band itself. You can set up alarms from the app, weather from the app. You can also control notifications, and this is one setting where actually Galaxy Fit 2 exceeds Huawei Band 6. So you've got a lot of notification controls here. So things like show while using phone, turn on for new apps, show with details or without details, or turn on screen. We don't get all of that on Huawei Band 6. And then we've got some vibration controls, display controls, advanced features, and quick responses. And all of it is controlled through the app for Samsung Galaxy Fit 2. On the other hand, Huawei Band 6, you have got some decent controls and decent amount of apps on the band itself. First of all, you can have up to 25 watch faces on the band and you can switch between them quickly, whereas you cannot keep any single watch face on Galaxy Fit 2. If you want to change the watch face on your Fit 2, you'll have to go through the app, but you can have 25 on Huawei Band 6. Then you can swipe down and we have our quick controls here. You can go in settings from here as well. You can swipe up to look at your notifications, and then you can swipe to the left or right to go through your widgets. If you press this button, you go to your apps, which are not available on Galaxy Fit 2. They are just widgets and then some timer and stopwatch apps. But here you have got apps on Huawei Band 6. So we've got workouts here, workout records, heart rate, SpO2 sensor, activity records, sleep, stress, breathing exercises, music controls, weather, stopwatch, timer, alarm. We also have torch feature here, so if you tap on it, the screen will shine bright white and you can tap on it again to turn it off. We've got find phone feature, and then you can go in settings. In settings we have some display settings here, so you can change your watch faces. So favorites is where you can change and edit the sequence of your widgets. You can control brightness, go in advanced, and here you can change the display sleep time. Then we have some vibration controls, do not disturb controls. Here you can select all day do not disturb, or you can schedule it. You've got some workout settings, and here you can turn on auto detect workouts. And then we have system settings where you can restart the band, power it off or on, and reset it. So a lot of settings reside on the band itself when it comes to Huawei Band 6. So that's about it from this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it helps you out in your purchasing decision. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or you can also catch me up on Twitter or Instagram, where I am also active. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.